my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you makeup mistakes you need to avoid if you got small eyes. And this is coming from somebody who has small eyes, who wishes they had this video growing up. I've seen this video circulate and in my head I'm like, I need this when I grew up. Because growing up, the only people that I knew that looked like me was just me and my family, and you know, social media was not like how it is today. We didn't have this many influencers, and like the tutorials that were going around were not for people who were like my kind of eye shape. So you know, I struggled. I really did struggle. I made a lot of mistakes. There was a lot of trial and error, but I got here in the end. Somehow, somewhere, I don't know. But I am going to be showing you today basically the tricks, the tips, the techniques that I've learned along the way, and just, you know, that has helped me do my eye makeup, specifically small eyes, and more specifically for those who have monolids. So because we're specifically focusing on eye makeup, I went ahead and did my whole face makeup already just to get that done and out of the way, so we can just begin with the eye makeup. Also, don't laugh at me please, because this has been my makeshift mirror stand thing. I don't know what you would call this. The first thing that I do is I always, before anything to do with putting on anything on my eyes, is to curl my eyelashes first. And this is specifically for those who have these, like, you know, these dead straight Asian eyelashes. See my eyelashes? I think you can slightly see it. They are dead straight and they're facing down. So the thing is, I curl my eyelashes first because there have been times, this is the mistake that I have made. I have made the mistake of doing my eye makeup first, then to take forever to curl my eyelashes, because of, you know, if you've got dead straight eyelashes, it takes a bit of time and it takes a bit of effort to make it curly. Your whole eye makeup is all ruined at that point because you've just spent so long curling your eyelashes. And also a tip that I have for those who have small eyelashes is just to use a smaller eyelash curler. This is one I've had for years. When I say years, I mean years. I don't know if they still sell this anymore. I got this off Elf. Do you remember, guys, when Elf was huge? But I got this from Elf back in the day. If I can find the link, I'll put a link in the description. If not, I'll find links to other ones with the small eyelash curler, because the thing is, I started off doing my eyelashes with the, you know, the regular eyelash curler that you usually see, and the thing about that is too round for my eyes. And not only round, it's just not for my eye shape, and it wouldn't curl all my eyelashes, and I've lost many eyelashes over that. And this helps when you can just curl them out in sections, so you can go over to the end and keep going in and in and in. Because the thing about the other eyelash curler, the regular kind that you see everywhere, I can never get it to curl the inner corner, you know, the eyelashes on the inner corner. That was a real big struggle to me. I'm going to be doing only one of my eyes, so you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. So now that I have curled my eyelashes, I'm going to do my eye makeup as usual. So my next step, I would actually prime my eyes first. And if you've got oily eyelids, oh, it is a must. So I'm just going to be priming my eyes. So I'm just going to set that with some powder. So moving on to eyeshadows, my technique is catered more specifically to those who have monolids, because and did I struggle? I struggled a lot. There were many tutorials online for those with eyelids, with creases in the eyelids, and as you can see, I do not have that. And though, you know, there's a certain placement for certain things, and when people would say, put this in the crease, and I'm like, where is the crease? So like I said, a placement is completely different, especially if I don't have a crease. So I am gonna go in step by step. I use 3 colors. So I go in with kind of like a base color, and for this color I put this all over my lid, and there's a lot of space between my eyebrow and my eyelid, but I have known, don't go too far, because you'll end up looking like a clown, for real. So I am literally gonna go up as if, imagine I had a crease. I'd literally go to like here-ish. Here we go. I put that color all over my lid, and then I'm going to go in with a darker color, and I'm just going to darken where it's nearer towards my lash line. So as you can see, I'm mainly concentrating on the outer corner just to give it a little bit more dimension, because you know, monolids, we tend to have that kind of flat look. Okay, so next, just to give it a little bit more dimension, is the sparkle. And also what I like about the sparkle kind of situation, it kind of helps it blend a lot more, and it just looks a lot more blended as well. So I'm gonna go in with just a shimmery shade, and I'll literally just put that all over. So the eyeshadow is done. That's literally it. That's all I do, is I use those 3 colors. So just to recap, the base, and then I use a darker color to darken up near towards the lash line. I use a sparkly color on top of all of that just to help easily blend it in and all sorts. So that's all I do. And if I want a more natural look, I'll use lighter colors. If I'm going for a more out look, then I will use more darker dramatic colors. But other than that, that's all I do, just the 3 colors. If I go overboard, then that's a bit too much for me. This is what I like. This is what I like for me. And this is what I feel that's working for me. So that's how I do my eyeshadow. So for eyeliner, I'm the kind of girl that when I find something that works, I stick to it, because you know, once I start changing it, that's when things kind of mess up. So for eyeliner, I have been using gel eyeliner and this same type of gel eyeliner for so many years. This is a good affordable gel eyeliner. This is the Maybelline gel eyeliner, the Eye Studio Lasting Drama gel eyeliner in black. And I use this specifically because if you got monolids, then you know it's a struggle to make your eyeliner last. Because the way that our eye kind of, you know, when we blink, the way our eye kind of folds is a whole different situation than those who got the crease and those who don't have the monolids. So it's just hard. It's hard to make your eyeliner stay. And I've realized when I've used like things like liquid eyeliners or just pencil eyeliners, the smudge is there. For me, it doesn't last as long, especially for me, I get oily eyelids, so I just find that gel eyeliner just lasts a whole lot longer. One thing that's also worked really well for me is this. Once I found this, I'm like, oh, perfect. This is an eyeliner brush. This is also by Real Techniques, their silicone liner brush, and it's literally, it's not a usual, you know, bristle thing. It's actually silicone, and it's just formed in the perfect way. When you know, when you're doing your eyeliner, it's so easy. It's like you're using a pen or like a liquid liner. It's just, you know, that's why I like liquid liners personally, because it's the easiest to apply. But however, I prefer gel, and this just lets me use gel a whole lot easier. So I've been using this for so many years. I hope they still sell this, because the thing is, if they don't sell this, I don't know where I'm gonna get this when I lose this or if this breaks. So I tend to just do my eyeliner along here and kind of go along with my eye shape, go along with my, maybe go a bit more, go along with my eye shape. To do this, I literally just So my eyeliner is pretty much as simple as that. I literally just go along with my eyeline, just going along with it, and then just flick. I actually just do the flick of my eyeliner. If I pull my lashes down, I literally just do the outer flick. Because when we move on to the next step, which is lashes, what I like to do with my lashes. So I always wear false eyelashes because of the fact that, look at these lashes. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? because I don't see very much. There's not a lot to go off of, and like I have used mascara in the past, but there's no amount of mascara that can help me the way that eyelashes do. And the thing that I have found about wearing eyelashes versus wearing mascara is the fact that the time is cut by half or whatever, and it has saved me a whole lot of money, because the thing is, these eyelashes, I've been wearing these eyelashes a bit too much. I've worn these for many events, many days now, many everything. And the thing is, I wear my eyelashes until they literally, you cannot wear it anymore, and that's a long time. And for instance, mascara, and I feel like when I am wearing mascara, well, I don't wear anymore. I have not worn mascara in many years, but when I have in the past, it just takes a lot of time because of the fact that I don't really have a lot of eyelashes, and plus like they're straight to begin with, so once they're curled, yeah, they're curled, but they're kind of wacky curled. They're like this. They're all like everywhere, and they're sparse, and it's just not even. And you know, I feel like when I use mascara, it just takes me a lot of time to get to a result that is nowhere near as good as I'm wearing false eyelashes. So therefore, we got the false eyelashes. And I think the hardest thing about eyelashes is just finding the right eyelashes for your eye shape. This one, oh, once I tried these eyelashes, I'm like, oh my god, these are perfect. So I'll link these eyelashes in the description bar below, but if you like have monolids like me, these are the best eyelashes that I've ever tried for it. I've never had eyelashes as kind of like natural as these, and look good. They actually look good. So I'm gonna be using it. I'm just gonna get a glue off first, because you know, I've been using these a bit too much. So I'm using the black lash glue. So this will act as my eyeliner, which I didn't apply across the top of my eye. So the way that I apply my lashes, what I like to do is do it at an angle, because I find that, you know, sometimes when you're applying it with monolids, the eyelashes can go upwards like this, can go like this. I like to apply it and face it downwards at this kind of angle, so it stays like that. Because the problem with monolids, when you put lashes on sometimes and then you blink and then suddenly it's like this, and we don't want this. So I do it at this kind of angle. I have to look down like this. And always bring it down to that same angle, like so. And honestly, these are my favorite lashes. I've never found lashes that suited hooded lids, monolids, whatever kind of lids you got. If that kind of lid, these are the eyelashes. So I will link these in the description. And these are the lashes that I wear to any event. I've worn this to weddings, I've worn this to parties, I've worn this going out. It's just, this is the eyelash. Okay, so I am done with my eye makeup, and it's literally, I feel like now my eye makeup is so simple, and I made it so complicated before because I just didn't know how to do makeup for someone with my kind of eye shape, my eye type, with monolids, etc. I just really struggle. So I really hope that this has helped anybody, at least somebody that is struggling with that eye makeup, who has kind of like my eye shape or monolids or whatever. Anyway, so I've done this done up eye, and then this one I kind of just left alone, so you can really see the difference it really makes. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.